What's going on, my friends? If you're watching this video, it's because you responded back to case study inside our CRM. So I want to share a little bit about what we're currently working on right now. It's a brand new AI persona one-on-one done for you offer. It's literally how to grow and scale your business through our newest method. It's our complete AI powered done for you marketing system. Now, after working with 300 plus coaches in the past years, we've discovered the most successful clients were the best at online marketing and putting themselves out there. They dedicated hours to writing content, invested in copywriters and content courses. They researched and studied top performing posts. They overcame imposter syndrome and the comparison trap. They tested, failed, learned, improved, and re-entered. But most of us, we're not born with natural copywriting skills, right? Your marketing abilities must be developed through trial and error, and sometimes this could take years to get really good. And we all know that if we don't create engaging content that converts, we're not going to get leads, we're not going to make sales, and you'll eventually give up. This is so true because I remember a time where me and Corey were paying $4,000 a month for an email copywriter that was just focused on booking calls through our emails. And then another time we spent $7,500 a month for an agency to grow our Instagram account, and they created 30 days of content, and then they would give it to us, and then we would post it, and they would grow our following. Did those investments pan out? I can't really say it really helped. But the reason why I share that with you is because deep down inside, me and Corey knew that if we didn't create content daily, we were not going to build a profitable business. There's just no way around of content creation. You have to put yourself out there. And not only that, it's just not just throwing spaghetti at the wall. It's creating content that actually speaks and resonates to your ideal audience, and then building your authority through your content, right? And that doesn't come easy because we just don't have the copywriting ability, okay? And so, what we discovered is even if we gave you all the prompts, we gave you all the scripts, the templates for you to use, it still requires you to think. And so we decided to come up with a brand new offer where it doesn't require you to think and get overwhelmed in creating content, creating funnels, creating emails. We know all these things are very necessary for your business, but we didn't want coaches to get bogged down in this particular area. So starting June 1st, we're launching a brand new AI-driven persona method one-on-one done for you offer. It's a case study program, which means that this is totally new, and we're only going to work with 10 coaches because I want the best results. And what we're offering inside this one-on-one done for you offer, most agencies would charge $25,000 for this type of service. Okay. Of course, this is not we're not charging $25,000, but I'm sharing with you that if you were to go seek out an agency to work with you one-on-one to give you a done-for-you solution or service based on what we're sharing with you on this particular video right here, it would probably cost you in the range of $20,000 to $25,000 for this type of service. So let me just walk you through this to see if you would be a good fit to be part of the first 10, okay? Now keep in mind, this is a very time-sensitive offer because I will work with you personally one-on-one with our team and our tech team to get things fast. This offer is all about speed. It's not a course. It's not like a mastermind where you're watching a bunch of videos and jumping on group coaching calls. It's a one-on-one offer, okay? Number one, we're going to install the newest AI persona method into your business. What do you mean, Tuan? We're going to create marketing employees, marketing experts into your business that will do everything when it comes to marketing, creating viral posts, lead magnets, highly converting funnels, short form video scripts, sales copywriting, and email campaigns. Now, this is not your typical ChatGPT output where you're trying to do it on your own and it's just a very vague prompt, and then you have like all of this generic output with 1,000 emojis and long paragraphs. No, this is going to be branded in your voice, in your style that you want it, And once I implement this, you don't need a copywriter. And if you're in charge of all the content creation, you can go ahead and fire yourself. This marketing expert inside your business is not going to complain. It's not going to ask for a pay raise. It's going to do everything that you need when it comes to becoming the brand voice and the marketing expert. It's going to create copy better than any human based on the input that I'm going to install in your business. That's going to be number one. Number two, I think this is what really makes this offer powerful right here, is the complete done-for-you marketing system, where my team will personally create the most profitable funnels in your business without you lifting a finger. Now, of course, you'll probably lift your finger to type because we need input and some data from you, but this doesn't require you to think. And we're going to do this in 14 days. 14 days is what we're aiming for. As long as you show up, in 14 days, we can create all these done-for-you components into your business, along with all the email, automations, and workflows, so you can do what? So you can focus on what you love the most, which is coaching and making money activities. This is what it's all about right here. So imagine having a done-for-you component where every funnel that you need to get your business up and going is already done for you, and there's bare minimum work on your end. My team will do everything for you. That's the power of this one-on-one done-for-you offer. And then now you can focus just on generating leads, quality conversations that leads to clicks and sales. That's the whole purpose of this. I've worked with so many clients that get bogged down in this creation phase right here, where they can't drive their business because they're so bogged down from all the tech, the copy, the content creation. This is why we're doing it completely for you, because we want you to make money, and we want you to make money fast. So inside this done for you marketing system, our team's going to work with you one-on-one to build out a viral lead magnet funnel that will generate leads daily and also build your list, right? If you don't have a lead magnet funnel, through our AI persona, we'll build out a viral lead magnet funnel for you, create the opt-in page, and set up all the email automations along with that. A calendar booking funnel. Every coach needs a simple calendar booking funnel with your short bio. If you're using Calendly or anything else, you can go ahead and just get rid of it, because we're going to build this out, and then you can use our system for that as well. A simple sales funnel with a book a call option. This is where we're going to build out a sales letter using your information based on who you are, your backstory, who you serve, how you deliver, and then you're going to have a book a call option on this. Next up, if you have a Facebook group or you're looking to build a Facebook group, this has been our $1 million process per year. We've used a Facebook group booking funnel to book automatically when people come into our group. We're going to install this into your process right here. What this is going to do is it's going to nurture your audience once they join your group, and then all the email workflows will also go into play too. So we're going to set that up for you, because this right here has been one of the key ingredients in our business, is just having a Facebook group booking funnel. This works very well if you already have a group. So we're going to install this into your business as well. And like I mentioned, email automations and workflows. Once people opt in, our team's going to set up all the email automations to welcome them, to nurture them, to have them book calls in your email as well. So all that's going to be completely done for you in the marketing system right there. So can you imagine how long this would take for you to create on your own? And then you have to learn so much when it comes to like tech and automations, okay? So next up, I'm going to give you 60 days. 60 days one-on-one consulting with me and Corey and my team. Now, here's the power of this. This is not a mastermind. This is not a group coaching thing. I'm not going to give you a course where you're watching 1,000 hours of video. You're going to get access to me and Corey or anyone on my team every single week, one-on-one mentorship. We can brainstorm ideas. I can answer questions. We can help you set monthly revenue goals, but mainly to stay accountable and following the process. I'm going to teach you some of the latest AI marketing trends and the secrets to really growing and scaling your business. That's 60 days every single week, one-on-one. That's 8 calls. How powerful do you think that is? 60 days, 8 one-on-one calls, either with me, Corey, or my team, to really get you started and growing this business. We want you to make money. That's our main goal here. We want you to make money without you having to overthink anything, okay? And last but not least is getting our Premier Excel marketing system. This is our all-in-one CRM that allows you to create unlimited funnels, courses, landing pages, websites, calendar schedulers, emails, pipelines, and it also includes a weekly tech support call with a tech support coach. It's powered by Go High Level, but you're going to also have a certified Go High Level coach with you to answer questions, to go through anything that you're currently working on. We're going to give you that support because I know how important that is for you to have that. Okay. So note, this is a special case study pricing offer for coaches who are serious. Look, I want to stress this right here. It's a special case study pricing offer for coaches who are serious about growing to like 3 to 5K plus per month through the power of AI persona and want a done for you marketing system without having to think and create on your own. It's a one-on-one offer. If you're watching this video, I want you to ask yourself this question. Am I really serious about growing to 3 to 5 to possibly 10K per month? And how long would it take for me to do it on my own? And how many mistakes would I make doing this on my own? Okay. Because if you're serious, I want you to keep on reading. Okay. Our team's going to do everything for you. This is not free. Like I shared with you earlier, most agencies will charge you $25,000 for this service. This is not free. What you're going to get if you qualify is 50% off the original price. Now, a lot of you are asking, hey, what's the price? Well, the price doesn't matter. I want to make sure that we are a good fit. And if that's you, you're serious about applying to see if we can help you, there's a link right here to apply right now. If you're selected as a good fit for a program, I'm going to reach out to you. I'm going to schedule a call, and then I'm going to walk you through the program. We'll talk pricing. We'll talk payments, everything that is needed on that call, and any questions that you have. But I want to make sure that we can help you, okay? Now, unfortunately, due to the bandwidth of this program, I can't help everyone. And when I say we're only going to take on 10, we're only going to take on 10. Based on your application, fill it out. I'm going to review every single app. And then if I think that we can help you grow fast based on your input and where you're at in your business, ideally, I want to work with someone that already has an existing offer that's looking to get clients and they want to kind of pass that 5K and reach that 10K per month threshold, okay? So ideally, if you have an offer that has maybe sold, you already have your avatar in place, you already know what you want, click on that link, apply now, and let's jump on a call. I'll be reviewing it and I'll reach out to you personally, okay? That, my friends, is our AI-driven persona method done for you one-on-one offer case study. If that's you, if you're serious about growing and scaling using AI and want everything done for you, click on that link. Let's go.